Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be unboxing this one right here and this one right here. This is a package that was sent from a subscriber. I believe his name was Jordan, and he collects skateboard decks. He was actually very generous and decided to send us 3 of them for this month's giveaway. And we're going to unbox these. And the next one I have here, which is from one of my favorite YouTubers, LZ. If you didn't already know, I'm a huge fan of his. I have one of his steering wheels right here that was signed at his open house back in 2018, I believe. I picked up his other steering wheel right here that I have yet to put on anything. Looks exactly like that. And today I bought his R34 skate deck that he released back in October, and that's when I purchased it, and it took from October to now to go ahead and get this deck in. Not on his fault at all. COVID with shipping and making the boards has been a huge pain and huge process, so I was one of those people that was patient enough to wait until he got them in so he could send them out, and I'm very glad that I decided to go ahead and wait and hold on to it because a lot of people did return their deck, and I'm glad that I didn't, but thanks to those that returned it, I was able to order 2 of them, and one of them is going to be used as another giveaway deck for this month. So there's going to be a total of 4 decks given away this month, so make sure you stay until the end of this video so you can learn how to enter this month's giveaway. But first up, let's go ahead and unbox the subscriber sponsor package. First layer down. I think I have a knife on me. I did have a knife. I might have lost my knife. I found my knife. I'm not sure which decks these are, but we're about to find out together. First one looks like a chocolate. You can't see it, but I saw it. There we go. Okay, so I can see one chocolate. I don't know what this one is yet, but we'll start from the bottom. Ooh, that's a good looking chocolate. Okay, so all these are brand new decks. They're still in their packaging. That's so cool. I'm really happy that he did this. This is awesome. So yeah, thanks to him, y'all are gonna be getting some really cool decks. This one is an 8.5. So if you skate an 8.5, that'll be this one. Ooh, we got a girl for the next one. That's what the top looks like. I love the bottom. That's the bottom. That's sick. That is so sick. It has like a purple hue here. That's so cool. This is an 8.12. I skate this size. Well, I skate an 8.25, but I can skate this size. This is awesome. This is right now probably my favorite deck that I've seen from Girl in a long time. All right, that's the next one. Ooh, this other one's a Reel. You already saw it, but it's a Reel. Reel is a pretty good brand. It's all clouds. That's cool. That's cool. Again, it all has its original packaging. I'm gonna try to keep it that way. But that is so sick. I'm really surprised that he gave away all 3 of these boards. They're really, really good boards. I really appreciate you. I feel bad taking away from your collection you had, but man, Jordan, this is awesome. Yeah, thanks for that. This is like super, super sick, and I'm really glad that I'm gonna help get other people into skateboarding thanks to you, so thank you for that. So if any of you guys want to sponsor a future video, definitely let me know. That's what Jordan did. He reached out to me via email, and you don't have to be a big company to sponsor me at all. Just message me and let me know that, hey, I want to sponsor next giveaway video or whatever, because this helps out a lot. I mean, this is absolutely insane. 3 decks of this high quality are being given out. This is easily $60, $60, and $60. Especially with the prices of skate decks going up, this helps out so many kids out there that may not have a chance to get into skateboarding, and that's what I'm about, is giving back to the skate community, not only to help grow my channel, but really to just give back and support the community and make sure that y'all are able to get into skating, because that's what matters most to me, is just grow the skate community. But this is absolutely incredible. Like I said, if you want to sponsor a video, reach out to me via email or Instagram, keegancotm@gmail.com or keegan_co_ on Instagram, and let me know that you want to sponsor next month's video or another video, whatever you want to do. But this is absolutely incredible. Thank you so much again. Let's go ahead and move on to the next skateboard deck, which I'm also really excited about. This one, I've been waiting since October for it. I'm honestly surprised I waited this long, but like I said, I'm really glad that I did. As most of you know, I have an R32 and this deck is an R34. I did want to go ahead and get this to basically show my respect to Adam LZ and his content and how amazing his builds are, and then to try and inspire me to step my game up and have something on my wall that is going to be absolutely insane. But it did come with a poster because I waited for so long, and some pie chew, which I'll probably eat that after the video, and then a sticker, and then my order, and then another sticker, and then some paper, and then another sticker. And there's a deck in there. I'm sure that's what you wanted to see. I'm sorry, I'll move this. Before I look at it, and then another sticker. This is, again, the deck I waited until October to get. I don't know what it's gonna be like. As I'm looking right now, it feels pretty good. It's pretty light. Concave is nice, but let's go ahead and take a look. Dude, that is so sick. I didn't think I was gonna like it 100% off the bat, but oh my god, that is awesome. Okay, I'm really glad that I waited now. So, it's this R34 Skyline, Midnight Purple 3. One of the most incredible builds on YouTube right now for an R34 Skyline. And I am just happy that I was able to get one of the decks. I know a lot of people got them, but I'm very glad that I was able to get 2 of them. One for me, and then one for you guys. So if you're a car person and you watch my channel, that means that you get a possibility to get the skate deck. I don't care if you skate at all, but you get the possibility of getting an awesome, cool YouTuber skate deck. I'm really hyped on this. This is awesome. It's probably gonna go on my collection wall that I have right here. So y'all have probably seen this in a lot of my videos, but this is kind of my inspiration wall and my like custom boards that I really, really enjoy. So that deck has been signed by Paul Rodriguez. That has been signed by somebody, I really don't know who, but I won this at a Zoomies event a few years back, and I figured I would just put it on the wall. This is one that I've custom built, and PewDiePie was the first person that I've ever started watching on YouTube way back in the day, so this is huge inspiration, and I wanted to do a big collaboration, I guess, but not at the same time. Love that board, probably would never get rid of it, but this is gonna go on the wall too. I just have to open it up and figure out exactly where I want it. It's either gonna go on this side, or it'll go over here with all of my automotive inspiration stuff. That's Adam LZ's hat up there. That's a steering wheel there, which is signed by him. I believe it's that one, I think. All of their handwriting is terrible. And also Fielding Shredder, which is the best signature ever. But yeah, that's my Adam LZ steering wheel that's been signed by almost every automotive YouTuber. And now it's time to look at the exclusive poster that came with this, because again, I waited for so long. And I think, yep, it is signed. That's cool. I was wondering if it was actually signed, but it is, and that does match the signature on the steering wheel. That's so cool. I have 2 things that are signed by Adam LZ now. It's hard to see on camera, but it's really cool. I'll probably have to put it somewhere so you can actually look at it. But I dig it, I love it. It's gonna go with all my other posters that I have, which are in storage right now. I need to actually put them somewhere. So it's not gonna do justice because the poster is kind of in a weird position, but this is absolutely insane quality. This build is just inspirational as hell. That's actually some of the stuff that I want to do for my Skyline, but have nowhere near the amount of money to do. All this stuff is pie cut, and it's so beautiful. Absolutely love all of it. So this is kind of, again, the inspiration that I'm going for on my Skyline. As you can see, I have a bunch of boxes here. I have a comp turbo for the Skyline, which is absolutely massive. I have the Tomei titanium exhaust, which we were going to do an install video on, but ran into issues, so I'm just gonna wait on that. Adam LZ steering wheel that will go on the Skyline. New exhaust stuff for the turbo manifold, and a brand new Mishimoto 4-inch intercooler, which is going to be absolutely insane for what I'm trying to do. Can't wait for the Skyline build to be done. As you can tell from those clips, my room is getting pretty packed with a bunch of car parts, and I would really love to go ahead and install some of it, but I'm still waiting on a lot more parts to come in. So once we have everything, we'll do an actual install video, but it's going to be a while, and I figured I'd give you a sneak peek of what's to come for the future for my 92 Skyline. And that's gonna wrap up today's video for the introduction of this month's giveaway. Again, thank you so much, Jordan, for sending these out. I'm gonna leave them packaged up exactly like they are so I can send them out to a new owner. I really, really, really appreciate your support and reaching out to sponsor this month's giveaway. So thank you, thank you, thank you. In order to enter this month's giveaway, there's a few things you have to do. Obviously, like the video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and then we're gonna leave a specific comment on this one. We're not gonna spam the comment section like we did last month. We're going to do just one regular normal comment. If you wanna spam the comment section with other things, that's fine, but I need one specific comment letting me know where you're from. So say, those decks are really awesome, I'm from New Mexico. Or really love those decks, I'm from California, I'm from Texas, I'm from whatever state, or I'm from New Zealand, I'm from Turkey, I'm from wherever. Regardless, these are the 3 decks that will be given away for this month's giveaway, along with Adam LZ's R34 skate deck. So I'm really grateful and lucky that I was able to get 2 of these. I'm gonna keep one for myself, and I'm gonna go ahead and send one out for you guys as well. Like I said, that's it for today's video, so I will see y'all on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later. I picked up